The Poynting XPOL-2-5G-10 antenna delivers strong, consistent signal improvement for 4th-generation and 5th-generation connections, especially in weak coverage areas. Its cross-polarized 2x2 multiple input, multiple output design gives more stable data speeds and better reliability than basic single antenna setups. The antenna covers a very wide range of cellular bands, so it works well with current 4th-generation and 5th-generation networks while still supporting older 2nd-generation and 3rd-generation services. With an 11 decibel gain and a focused directional pattern, it can significantly boost throughput when carefully aimed at the nearest cell tower. The rugged enclosure is rated against dust, water, and vandal damage, making it a solid long-term choice for outdoor mounting on masts or walls. A long factory-fitted cable with standard connectors simplifies installation and helps users place the antenna in the optimal position without extra accessories.